Hey friends, if you encounter the error no available camera input in Snap Camera on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to allow camera permissions. And how would you do that? So for this, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to camera under app permissions. Okay, and then you have to turn this switch on and also the switch for the associated application on which you're encountering the error. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open it by clicking on this administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Next solution is to run the camera troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot and then on other troubleshooters. Now click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter. The last solution is to update camera drivers. So search for device manager, open device manager. Okay, expand the list for camera drivers. Right click on the internal webcam and update it. If you are using any external camera, you can also update that one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.